Hi guys, today I am going to say about the problems on the PERT and CPM. So this is the second problem guys. In my previous video I already explained the first problem, how to draw the network diagram and the critical path, that means how to find the critical path in the project completion. Now in this video I am going to say about the third step, that means the third question, that is how to find the EST, EFT, LFT and LST. So these are the basic terminologies in the PERT and the CPM guys. So here the first thing is we need to draw the network diagram. So how to draw the network diagram guys? Here in the activity session they have already mentioned what the steps we need to took. So here let us see that the first thing what they have given 1 to 2. Just draw your network diagram according to your activity, and after completion of your network diagram then you can draw the duration, that means then you can know the duration guys. Now the first thing is 1 to 2, that is from 1 to 2. So just took that from 1 to 2, and again before starting, that means before moving to the 2, just check for first node if it has any alternate node. See, for 1 to 2 here 1 is there, from here also 1 to 4, again from 1 another node has started. So from here 1 to 4 guys, so 1 to 4. Now after that from 2 to 3, just check for 2 to 3. For 2 it is for 3, so for 2 it is 3, and then after that for check for 2 there is no any next nodes. So here for 3 to 5, only 3 to 5. So here 3 to 5. Then for again you can check for, then 1 to 4 is completed, 5 to 6. So here there is another thing is 5 to 6 is there. Now the last thing is 4 to 5. So here from 4 to 5. So this is our network diagram guys, and this is the starting node. So that means it is the initial node. So it is the initial node and it is the final node. Initial node and final node won't change. For our best verification, start the initial node at first place guys. For representation, start at first, and the initial that means at the final node just take it to long distance. So if you keep it at long distance, then only you can notice that it is the final node. From 1 to 2, just mention the durations. 5, 1, and 3 to 5 7, 1 to 4 is 3, 4 to 5 is 8, and 5 to 6 is 7. Then our network diagram is completed guys. Now we need to find the critical path. So how to find our critical path guys? That is there is the one way to, so here just draw the boxes on it. 2 boxes guys, we need to draw 2 boxes. These 2 boxes what allocates that EST value and LFT value. So here I need to say what is meant by EST and LFT. So EST means earliest starting time, LFT means latest finished time. So at what time you have started, it is the EST. At what time you have ended it, finished, latest finished time, it is the LFT guys. Now for each and every node, just draw the 2 boxes. Mention the 2 boxes on each and every node. So here these are the 2 boxes. Now first write the EST values. So how to write the EST values means, for each and every node the initial node is 0 guys. Initial EST node is 0. Initial value is 0. So here, so initial value is 0. From here just add the duration value, that is 0 plus 5, it is 5. So here 0 plus 3, it is 3. So again from here 5 plus 1, it is 6. 3 plus 8, it is 11 guys. But here before writing the, see here 3 plus 8 is 11. From here 6 plus 7 is 13 you have guys. So here intersection is there. For this intersection value you need to take the maximum value from the 2 nodes which are reaching to it. Before reaching to it there are 2 nodes. From these 2 nodes you need to take the maximum value. 13 is maximum value, so 13. Next 13 plus 7, it is 20 guys. So 20 is our earliest starting time. The earliest starting time would be the same as the latest finished time. So 20 same. Now here from left side to right side you have added everything, and from right side to left side you need to reduce the things. So 20 minus 7, that is a 13. Next, from 13 minus 7, it is a 6. So here again 13 minus what here 8 you have. 13 minus 8, it is a 5. Now from here 6 minus 1, 5, and from 5 minus 5, 0 you have, and 5 minus 3, what you will get a 3. So here you will get 3 and here you will get 0. So for this here also it is an intersection for this thing. So you need to take the minimum value. So here while going to the upside you are going to take the maximum value. For the downside you are going to take the minimum value. So the minimum value is 0. Let us represent it here. That's it guys. It means finding the values of EST and LFT. Next after that, just how to find a critical value, that means critical path means wherever you will find the same values like 0 0, see here 5 5, 3 5 is opposite, that means some other different values. So 5 5 is same, 6 6 is same, 13 13 is same, and 20 20 is also same. Just draw it and represent it with a double line guys. So 0 0 to 5 5, and 5 5 to 6 6, and 6 6 to 13 13, 13 13 to 20 20. This is our critical path. So it is very easy to represent guys, 0 0 to from here. So this is our critical path. So here guys, the critical path is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6. The same I have represented here. And the project completion time is, you need to add the durations of this critical path. 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus 7. So finally we got the 20. So 20 days is our project completion time. Now, and the second question is also completed. And the third question is, you need to find the EST, EFT, LFT and LST guys. So here EST means, already I told that, earliest starting time. Now LFT means latest finish time. So let us see here in this in my previous question I already explained that. See, EST means in activity diagram the value present on the tile event right side. That means, so here in this is the activity guys, one is the activity. So this is here you need to know the two values, that is just take this 1 and here it is a 2. So at the initial, whatever the value at the initial stage, you need to represent it as a tail, and the next whatever the node it is connected to it, it is a head value. So here in the question 1 to 2, here 1 is a tail value and 2 is a head. So here 2 to 3, it is tail, it is head. Same guys, the first value is a tail and the next value is head. So for remaining also tail and head. So if you see that, so here while finding the EST, what in activity diagram, the value present on the right side in the box. So whatever the thing is present on the right side here, it is the EST value, and what is on the left side, it is the LFT value. So here I will show one table how to calculate these values. So I will say here EFT means EST plus duration. So whatever the duration we have, the duration time we are going to add it here. For LFT, from LST we are reducing the duration. So here LST you are already know that whatever the value it is present on the left side in the head value. So here see, for this on the left side whatever the value is present, it is a LFT value. Then see the answer for third question. So here this is the table guys. It is very easy, and the first column it is consist of activity, second column is duration, then EST, LST, EFT and LFT. Then see how to solve this table. So here I just written all the activities and its duration time, and here EST, what I have told guys, whatever the thing it is on the tile side, on its right side for tile, on the box on the right side, whatever the value you have, it is a EST value. So for representation, remember this box EST LFT. So here EST means for 1 to 2, for 1 to 2, and the tile side whatever the thing we have 0, just represent it as 0. Then after that, then from 2 to 3, 2 to 3, what is the tile value guys? Already I told it here. From 2 to 3, 2 is the tile. For tile, what's the value we have as a EST? 5. Write it here, 5. Then for 3 to 5, 3 is the tile and the EST value is 6. And for 1 to 4, the tile value is 1 and the EST for tile is 0. And the first box whatever we have, it is the EST. And 5 to 6, from 5 to 6, 5 is the tile and the EST is 13. From 4 to 5, 3 is the EST. Now what we have completed guys? We have completed EST, and in the table what we have? LFT. We have LFT. Now let's come to the box of the LFT. So here what you need to see is from 1 to 2, what is the LFT value guys? Here for that means for EST you need to check for the tile, and for LFT you need to check for the head. For head event you need to check the LFT value. From 1 to 2, head is 2. For 2 what we have? LFT value as 5. So just write it here. From 2 to 3, so from 2 to 3, what is the head guys? 3 is the head. So for 3, what is the LFT value guys? 6. From 3 to 5, 5 is the head value, and for header value LFT value is 13. Write it here. From 1 to 4, 4 is the head value, and for that head value the LFT is 5. So write it here. Then from 5 to 6, the header value is, so here 5 to 6 the header value is 6, and for 6 what's the LFT is 20. And from 4 to 5, 5 is head value and the LFT is 13 again. Now we have completed EFT and LFT. Now let us come for the LST, for calculation of LST. What I have told guys, just reduce the LFT value from the duration. So here what you will get guys? 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 1, 5. This is the LFT value and this is the duration. You need to reduce this LFT value from the duration. 13 minus 7, it is 6. 5 minus 3, it is 2. Then from 5 to 6, here LFT is from 20 minus 7, it is 13, and from 13 minus 8, it is 5. So now LST is also completed guys. It is very easy. You need to reduce the LFT value from the duration. For EFT what I have told, EST plus duration. Just add these two. It is a 5 plus 0, it is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. And here 3 plus 0 is a 3. 7 plus 13 is a 20. And 8 plus 3 is what guys? 11. That's it guys. Our table is completed. Now here the last step is, here also we can check the critical path. How we need to check guys? Let us that means check for the same values. For EST and LST, wherever you have got the same values, and for EFT and LFT, wherever you got the same values. So here from EST and LST you have got same values, and for same also EFT LFT. So our critical path will start at 1 to 2, starting from 1 to 2. Then for here 5 5 6 6, that is a 2 to 3. See here guys, 1 to 2 it started, 2 to 3 it also went. So here 6 6 13 13, that is a 3 to 5. That means a 3 to 5. Next the last thing is 5 to 6. Let us check for it also guys. 13 13 20 20. That's it guys. Our critical path is from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5 and 5 to 6. So this is our critical path. These are the two ways, guys, to find the critical path. One is just finding through here same values by network diagram, and the second thing is by finding the EST, LST, EFT and LFT. It is very simple, guys. In my next video, I am going to say how to find the slack value and float value. So these are the problems, very interesting. Once you draw the network diagram very carefully, then you can get the whole answer. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the chat box. Thank you.